Hello everyone and welcome back to Spring Lock Lab Animatronics. Before I start today, I want to say a few things. Since I didn't post on Sunday, I'm going to have two animatronics, an arm here and the hand there. These are really big animatronics, so this big one here doesn't have code as it wouldn't be able to be fully shown on camera anyways. But as I would have usually used this, but I'm not going to today. It used to have code though, but again, it wouldn't be showable on camera. But I can explain how I built it. I was able to model a quick hand design, recycle some pieces. I have a better range of motion with this one, as this servo here lets it move up. This one lets it do this. And this servo here lets the arm move like this, giving it very realistic motions to an actual hand. It was also meant to have a hand, shown by the fact that there's blue servos here. But unfortunately, the hand design on this one didn't work. So this is just scrapped as a prototype version of it. It could have worked, and I am working on making a model that will work with this. And maybe in the future it could be revived, but right now it will not. But on the brighter side, I can show a hand model that actually did work. It's right here. Uses only two servos. This one for these, and then this servo here for the thumb. It is an older model, so it looks a bit scrappy, but it did work. I got these foam pieces here that I cut up, and I was able to make it so that it could grip objects. It was able to pick up a hand at one point. I have the board power pack. I can plug it in and show you the motions as soon as I can figure out how to do it. Here. So it plugs in, and the servos move, and it unwinds and everything. It does this on a loop. That's one of the reasons it couldn't pick up anything, because the second it stopped, it would go back and it would drop it, so it couldn't pick it up really. There was also another problem with the fact the big servo would move in the back, and that'd cause a giant bulge to form like that. And as you can see, it literally lifts up the hand, so it wouldn't be like a viable actual hand. Once again, I'm working on a better model that will most likely not use this, and use the servo design here, where the servos are in the hand, and that makes it that you won't see the movement physically like this. In the next video, I will instead be showing one of my eye mechanisms. I can give you a quick peek at it right here. Then I'll show you another better version of it. And finally, we can move on to the FNAF 1 endo. This is the end of the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. It won't hurt if you don't, but it really helps if you do. It would also really help if you consider sharing it with others. Thank you and goodbye.